Hi, in this video of C programming language, we will discuss about operators. Basically, whenever you try to do any operation while writing a program in C, you need to write an expression, and that expression is consist of the operators and the operands. For example, if you are trying to sum up two numbers of integer type, then those two variables or constant of integer type is the operand, while the plus symbol which you are using for adding up is the operator. Once the summation is done, you try to assign the value in some other variable. So that variable is again behaving as an operand, and the equals to operator will be the operator. Now, here you can see the different kinds of operators which are used for the different purposes. For example, the first one is arithmetic operator, which will be used for any arithmetic operation like plus, minus, multiplication, division. Then we have the relational operator, which is used for the comparison. Means you can compare whether two values are equal or not equal or greater or lesser or anything like that. Then we have the logical operator, which is used to combine the multiple conditions. So here we will be having the binary operators such as AND or, which will combine the two different conditions, and both have their different truth table, which we will discuss while giving a deeper look to the logical operators. Next is bitwise operator, which actually operates on the bits of any value. Whenever you assign a value to the variable, that value is first of all converted in the bits and then gets stored. Then after every time when you read or do any operation, that bit value is converted into decimal and then the operation is done. But while working with the bitwise operator, it is not required to convert the bits value to the decimal value, because the bitwise operators will be directly operating on the bits part. Next is assignment operator. We have already given a look to the assignment operator while working with the L value and R value, but here along with that we will see some more shorthand operators which is required with the assignment operator. Once we are done with all the operators, we will give a look on a different kind of operators which will do some conditional kind of thing, which is the ternary operator. And at last we will see about the operator precedence. Means if we have a complex statement having multiple kind of operators in it, we will have to judge like which operator is going to operate first and who is going to be last. So that thing will be done by operator precedence and operator associativity, which we will discuss at last. So this is about this video, but in our next video we will give a deeper look to the arithmetic operator.